Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I want to show all the Web3 users and cryptocurrency users a way to safeguard your cryptocurrency wallet from being scammed or hacked. So there has been a lot of complaint in the cryptocurrency space about coins being hacked and wallets being compromised. So I want to actually show everybody how you can actually add a second layer of security to your wallet by activating two-factor authentication on your wallet. So what this actually does, when you activate a two-factor authentication on your wallet, it means whenever you want to make a transaction on your wallet, you need to be authenticating the transaction. When you say you want to send out a token from your wallet, you need to be authenticating that transaction. So the software that you used in authenticating putting your two-factor authentication is going to always be sending you a code to your email that you use to authenticate the transaction. So let's say you want to make a transfer, you're going to get a code to your email, and when you get that code on your email, you now use the code from your email to authenticate the transaction before you can make the transaction. So that way it's actually going to make it more difficult for hackers and scammers to actually get access to your tokens, because it will be difficult for them to actually get access to your wallet and also get access to your email and to authenticate the transaction. So it's actually advisable to activate a two-factor authentication on your wallet. So I want to show you guys how to actually activate a two-factor authentication on your wallet. So stick to this video to the end, and please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and also like this video and give me a thumbs up. So let's get started with the video. To do this authentication, you can actually do it from any browser though, but it's actually best to do it from your Web3 browser, like the Trust Wallet or MetaMask or any other Web3 browser, maybe BitGet. So any Web3 browser is actually best, but you can actually still do it from a Web2 browser like the Chrome and Firefox. But for this video, I'm actually doing this authentication from my Trust Wallet. So if you're using Trust Wallet, you can actually do the same. So when you open your Trust Wallet or any browser you're using, so you just need to go to the browser tab. For the Trust Wallet, you just need to click on this Discover site to go to the browser tab. So I click on this Discover and it's going to open the browser tab for me. So the software or the website we're going to be using for this authentication is called authpro.co. So I will be leaving the URL to this website in the description of this video. I'll also be displaying it in the front of the screen so you guys can see it. So, but it's actually authpro.co. So here is the homepage of authpro.co. It's going to be in the description and displaying in the front of the screen. So when you come to authpro, what you need to do is you need to scroll a little bit down. You see all the things. So here that you see start authentication, that's what we want to do now. So I'll click on this start authentication. So it's going to bring me to this place now. So I need to connect my wallet to authpro to be able to authenticate the wallet. So I need to impute my 12 or 24 word seed phrase. So most of the Web3 wallet actually uses the 12 word or the 24 words. So my wallet is actually using the 12 word seed phrase. So I'm going to be putting that 12 word seed phrase here. So please, I'll be blurring this side because I wouldn't want anybody to be seeing my seed phrase. So I impute my seed phrase and then I'll now click next. So it's going to bring me to this place. And so here is asking me to impute my email. So this email is going to be the email I'm going to be receiving the authentications from. So any email I impute here now, if I'll make any transaction on my wallet, I'll need to receive a code from this email, So if I get the code on this email, I'll now use that authentication code from this email to authenticate the transaction. So I'm just going to put in my email. And after then, I'll now click authenticate. So that is it, guys. I've actually authenticated this wallet now, and before I'll make any transaction on this wallet now, I'll need to be getting a code from authpro on my email, this email I just filled now, to be able to make any transaction on my wallet. So this way is going to make it difficult for anybody who doesn't have my email access to actually send out any token from my wallet. So it's best this way, and I will advise every Web3 users to actually activate a two-factor authentication on their wallet. There's so many websites or apps that you can use to authenticate, but the Google Authenticator can authenticate Web3. So, but there's other ones that can. So, but Auth Pro is one of them, and it's the one I've been using, and it's actually very simple and understanding to use. So you can just go over there and check it. So thanks for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that. And see you guys in the next video.